Hello, in this video I will show you how to demolish your clusters another way using RayFire blade component, and it allows you to separate a cluster to two pieces by its slicing plane. So all you need to do is just select the clusters which you want to kind of slice and turn on slice by blade in limitations here, and then you need to define your target. If you want to slice only one cluster, you can define it in this target field, or if there are several targets, you can define here in this targets list. So here you can see I define this columns as my target for the blade, and basically that's all. You need to start play mode and then hit the slice target or use slice target method if you will use it in your code. And well, let me actually turn on connections. So here you can see basically just separated all these columns to pieces here, this and this, accordingly to its slicing plane. And in this case, here you can see this demolition distance group of properties. So when you deal with collision, it measures in radius from collision point. But when you're using slicing using by blade, when you slice your cluster by blade component, it applies to whole slicing plane. So in this example here, I have this two this kind of slabs, and for this one I set my demolition distance, I set ratio to 5. For this one I set to 15, so in this case it will be bigger. And I will set here shard area to 100%, so you will see how it looks like with 100%. So all the demolition area shards will be separated into fragments. And again, I define these two slabs as targets for my blade component. So I hit slice target. You can see that it applied this demolition distance ratio to size along this slicing plane. So in this case I used 15 value 15, so I get bigger demolition area here. So in the same way, let's say I can maybe increase even higher, maybe 20%, and also I will clusterize about 70%. So I'll decrease my shard area. And click slice. And here it is. Here you can see that some fragments separated into simple single fragments, and there are a bunch of clusters here. So this is just another way to demolish your cluster, not by colliding or shooting or using collapse, but actually kind of slicing it by some plane using RayFire blade component. I guess that's it, and thank you for watching.